Hello! Welcome to Recipes from my garden. Today we're going to cook a pasta with cherry tomatoes straight from the garden and very few other ingredients. Very easy, very fast and delicious. Let's go! Here we are. First of all, we cover a tray with non-stick paper and we put some breadcrumbs. This will be the base of our little tomato, and also it will give a taste of toasted delicious. So we put some olive oil, or directly in a dish that goes to the oven. So we cover with breadcrumbs, a little olive oil, and it goes under the grill for 1-2 minutes until it's golden. And then we start with the tomatoes. Here is our breadcrumb, still a bit hot. We wait a second and we will cut the tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes, more or less 500 grams for 2 people, 3 people. I set the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, so this, I think it's about 400 Fahrenheit, and we'll leave it inside for 15-20 minutes, and the last few minutes I will put on, I will switch to grill, so I will let them really. So olive oil. In the meanwhile, I put water for the pasta to boil. Remember always to put enough water, about a liter for 100 grams of pasta. Here we are. These are ready. And the pasta is cooked. 1 spoon of water from the pasta and mixing. Looks fantastic.